Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming compatibility. Most laptops need Thunderbolt 3/4 or an internal M.2/PCIe adapter. Once done, pick an external GPU enclosure that supports your desktop card and power draw and install the GPU into the chassis, seating it securely. Make sure to update laptop firmware and BIOS and install the enclosure firmware if required. This first step avoids costly mistakes, so verify port type, lane count, and PSU wattage before you connect anything to your laptop. Next, connect the enclosure to your laptop using the Thunderbolt cable or the approved PCIe breakout. Accept any security prompts. Once done, boot the laptop and install the latest GPU drivers from the card vendor. Do not rely on generic drivers. Make sure the OS recognizes the eGPU. Set preferred GPU for apps in system graphics settings, and tune power/thermal profiles in vendor software. If you run into recognition issues, reseat the card and reauthorize the Thunderbolt connection. Finally, validate performance by running a GPU benchmark or game, monitor temperatures, clock speeds, and achieved FPS. Once done, connect an external monitor if you want maximum bandwidth, or set apps to prefer the external GPU for better results. Make sure to save power profiles and enclosure fan curves. If it does not work, a key troubleshooting tip: reauthorize Thunderbolt devices, swap the cable, check BIOS Thunderbolt/security settings, and reinstall GPU drivers. These steps resolve most connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.